Hey guys, so today I'm here with the Mopar rear grab handles fitting all 2018 and newer 4-door JL Wranglers. So grab handles are one of those accessories that really comes in handy for you as well as your passengers to get in and out of your Jeep, especially if your Jeep is lifted, and it gives you something to grab onto when you're out on a bumpy trail. So these ones by Mopar are going to be very sturdy. They're gonna have a really nice design. You do get a molded plastic end covering up steel, so you can tell that these are gonna hold up. You do have heavy duty nylon webbing down the side and in the middle here, and you have a hard plastic inner portion. Now, not only are these gonna be structurally sound, but these are also gonna look very sleek inside of your Wrangler. So they are black, they match very nicely with this black interior here. However, since they are black, they're going to virtually match with any interior, making it a really solid option. So you also have a honeycomb design in the middle, giving it a more finished design as well as a premium looking design. And you also get a little Easter egg in the middle. You get a Jeep logo or a Jeep grill logo. So that is a nice finishing touch on these. So because these are Mopar, these are gonna be a little bit more expensive than the average grab handle at roughly $40. And that's just for the rear. So if you were looking to match these with the front grab handles, you will have to purchase those separately at roughly the same price. But I personally think that that price is fair for what you're getting here. So these are JL specific in comparison to some other choices on the page that are a little bit more generic, and usually those attach by Velcro. But I really like this attachment point. It's sturdy. You can tell that it's gonna stay in place, especially on those bumpy trails when you need it. And it's not gonna slide around on you like a Velcro option would. So if I did have to nitpick, I think the only thing that the Velcro choices have on this is the fact that you can adjust it on the roll bar. This is gonna be stationary, but if you're not worried about that, if you're just looking for a premium grab handle that looks very sleek, it's gonna stay in place and it's gonna do its job, and you're not really worried about spending a couple extra bucks to get that, I think that these are gonna be a very solid choice. So install is gonna be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You're gonna need one tool to get the job done in about 15 minutes. So speaking of that install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for my install were an impact wrench and a T25 Torque socket. So like I mentioned, guys, this is gonna be fairly simple. All we have to do is remove 2 bolts in our sports bar and sandwich our grab handle in between. You will need a T25 Torque bit, so let's go ahead and head in the Jeep. So up on top of our sports bar, we are gonna have 2 Torx head bolts. We're gonna go ahead and remove this first one. Now you don't necessarily need the hard top or the soft top off of your Wrangler. I'm just doing this for visual purposes so you guys can get a better look. After that one bolt is out, we can take our grab handle, hook one around the outside of the sports bar, and then just reinstall that bolt. So we can move over to this other bolt, take that one out, and then just do the same exact thing. Grab our grab handle, wrap it around the sports bar, and go ahead and reinstall that screw. So after that, you're all set on this side. We can do the same thing on the other side, and you're all set to go. So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.